Good morning everyone. Today I Ekam Pahwa from grade 7 from BSM School Basant Avenue, Dugri Road, Ludhiana is going to recite a story related to a special twins called indicators. So let us start the story. Once upon a time in a magical color kingdom there lived some little color fairies called indicators. Each fairy had a special power. They could change the color depending upon the mood of the liquid they met. There are mainly two kinds of liquids. Acids who are a bit grumpy and sour, and bases who are cool and soapy. So let us meet now one color fairy, Litmus fairy. Litmus fairy has two twin sisters, red litmus and blue litmus. When red litmus twin met an acid, she stayed red because acids were her best friends. But when blue litmus met an acid, she turned to red color. The magic is shown in this. But when red litmus met an base, she turned blue because she felt calm and cool. So now students, remember, red to blue, base is true. Blue to red, acid ahead. Now let us meet another color fairy, the turmeric fairy. So turmeric fairy is saying, I live in your kitchen. I am yellow at all time, but when I met an base, I turned to red in color. So, another time, if you spill soap on a curry, don't scared because it's my power of changing my color with a base. Now, let us move to our last color fairy, which is the China rose. China rose is mainly a beautiful flower lying in a garden. When the China rose met an acid, she turned to pink in color, which looked too cool. But when China rose met an
Base?
she turned to green, full of freshness. So here is the lesson for the color fairies by the king. The king of the kingdom said, my little color fairies, you help teachers, scientists and even students by telling whether the substance is an acidic, basic or neutral by changing your colors. So every color fairies smile proudly. So at last, students, remember, acids turn blue, litmus red. Bases turn red, litmus blue. Turmeric turns red in bases. China rose turns pink in acids and turns to green in bases. Thank you.